It's news time. Information is power. Be current. The news headline: 2023. Your position on power shifts unconstitutional. Northern governors tell Southern governors. The news in full. The Northern States Governors, NSGF, Northern States Governors Forum, has said that the position of their Southern counterparts, that power should shift to the South, is against the spirit and letter of the Constitution. This was part of the resolutions reached by the governors at the end of an emergency meeting of the forum held in Kaduna on Monday. It also said that it is sub judice to act on the controversial value-added tax (VAT), while the case between Rivers State and federal government is before the Supreme Court. On open grazing, it called on the federal government to expedite action on the National Livestock Transformation Program. The resolutions were read by the chairman of the forum and governor of Plateau State, Simon Lalong, in Kaduna on Monday. Commenting on the security situation of the region, the forum observed the need for a sustained synergy and coordinated effort between the federal and northern state governments. The meeting also noted with concern the constraints of the security services and urged the armed forces to embark on simultaneous operations. The forum appreciated the ongoing onslaught against banditry, kidnapping, and Boko Haram, especially in the northeast and parts of northwest and the north central states, and encouraged the armed forces and other security agencies to sustain the tempo to enable the security challenges to be permanently addressed in the shortest time. On the ongoing debate on power shifts, the forum noted that even though some northern governors had earlier expressed views for a power shift to 3 geopolitical zones in the south, with a view to promoting unity and peace in the nation, it said that notwithstanding their comments, the forum unanimously condemns the statement by the Southern Governors Forum that the presidency must go to the south, saying that the statement is quite contradictory with the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, that the elected president shall score the majority votes, score at least 25% of the votes cast in 2/3 states of the federation. In the case of run-up, a simple majority wins the election. The Northern States Governors Forum also considered the ongoing national debate on the collection of value-added tax (VAT), saying that as responsible leaders, while we are constrained by the fact that the matter is sub judice, we, however, for the purpose of educating the public, make the following observations. The judgment of the Federal High Court calls to question the constitutionality of VAT, withholding tax, education tax, Niger Delta Development Commission, National Information Technology Development Agency, 13% derivation, National Economic Development Council, and many others currently levied and collected by the federal government of Nigeria, Federal Inland Revenue Service, Rivers, and Lagos State governments had enacted their own VAT laws, and the Southern Governors Forum has expressed support for this course of action. The value-added tax is being confused by these states government as a sales tax. If every state enacts its own VAT law, multiple taxations will result in an increase in prices of goods and services and the collapse of interstate trade. VAT is not a production tax like excise, but terminal tax which is paid by the ultimate consumer. It added that the reason Lagos accounts for our 50% VAT collection is because most of the telecommunication companies, banks, manufacturing and other activities have their headquarters in Lagos, with the resultant and wrongful attribution of VAT. Thus, the forum said, until and unless the Supreme Court pronounces judgment on the substantive matter between Rivers State and federal government. This matter is sub judice, and Northern Governors Forum would respect this. On the grazing issue, the forum also calls on the federal government to expedite action on the well-established National Livestock Transformation Program as a springboard in transiting the open grazing system as widely practiced in the north. The Traditional Rulers Council appreciated the effort made so far by the Northern State Governors Forum in addressing the key areas of challenges facing the northern states. They expressed their willingness, solidarity, and collaboration with the governors in addressing these challenges, particularly the issue of security. It was equally resolved that perpetrators of crimes should be dealt with irrespective of their status in the society. The forum decried the high level of conspiracies being perpetrated by some judicial officers in releasing or granting bail to arrested criminals. This attitude sabotages the fight against criminality. Therefore, the need to develop good and robust intelligence mechanism among states was identified as a solution. In spite of the huge investment in water sector by the government and international organizations, water scarcity has grown to become a perennial nightmare for residents of Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital. This report x-rays the lives and experience of residents in getting clean, portable, and affordable water amidst the surge of COVID-19 cases in the states. And the analysis is that the Northern Governors had actually quite disagreed with the Southern Governors Forum regarding some of their conclusion after the meeting that they had. And this includes on the matter of the value-added tax, saying that until the case in the court, the Supreme High Court, is actually trashed, that they would not really want to talk too much about that, but that the Southern Governors are not supposed to support the Rivers State and the Lagos State stand on this value-added tax, saying that the value-added tax has been complained by the Lagos State, to be paying a high one, and they're being used for other states. The major reason is because the headquarters of the telecommunication companies and others big companies like that are actually based in Lagos, and that is why it is like that. However, it should not be confused with VAT, that all those things are actually different from that. Like there was a difference. He said that was in this world. He said that VAT is not a production tax like excise, but terminal tax which is paid by the ultimate consumer. So that they are mistaking it for VAT instead of a production tax given to those like that those people are actually paying. And now they also talked about the the stand of the Southern Governors, that the presidential slot for this 2023 presidential election should be zoned to the south, saying that this does not go in line with the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, and that will not work. And also, as regards the open grazing law, they had said that truly the federal government needs to expedite action on the National Livestock Transformation Program so as to make sure that the transit from the open grazing system as widely practiced in the north. Thanks for listening.